Hey guys, today on Earth Reviews, I have my Galaxy Z Fold 5 that just arrived. Here's the box of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. It has a small dent on it. Hopefully the device does not have any issues. I guess we will have a firm answer on that very soon. The box of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is very similar to the one on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Just to say that even the unboxing experience of this device is exactly the same as the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Once you have the box open, you will see the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in front of you. As usual with the Galaxy Z line, inside the box you get only the charging cable and the SIM ejector tool. I still believe that they should create and design a very slim charger that can fit inside this box and all the customers will be happy. The charger doesn't have to be 45 watt charging, it can be 25, it is all good. So inside the box you can see the Galaxy Z Fold 5, but you have access to only the camera rings on the back of the device. At the bottom of the device you can also see how the device looks and the frame of the device. And this device, the color that I choose is called blue. So here's the Galaxy Z Fold 5. It is very similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 4. It has small incremental upgrade compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 4. I think on the design and the body of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 they are very similar, but taking only the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 that is inside this Z Fold 5, it is a big upgrade. Like any foldable device, if you have it new, you want to clap the device, and once I did that, I knew the difference. I asked myself this question: this does not sound like the Galaxy Z Fold 4. So here you have it. This is the first difference that I found between the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and 4. This reminds me of the action button on the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 14 Pro, the silent button. On the contrary, for the Galaxy Z line, this can be something important because if you close the Galaxy Z Fold 4, sometimes it makes a lot of noise. This might be the very reason why they did engineer the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in order to attenuate the sound after you fold or close the Galaxy Z Fold 5. In terms of weight, the Fold 4 is heavier than the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The difference is about 10 grams. 10 grams does not really translate the improvement in the design on the Fold 5. The Fold 5 is slimmer compared to the Galaxy Fold 4. The hinge design on the Fold 5 is re-engineered and it is slimmer, and this is why we have almost a non-existent gap between the folded screen as opposed to the Galaxy Fold 4, which has a small gap. I'm not really sure if this is right and it is on all Folds 5. I can see part of the hinge mechanism even without opening the device. Let me know in the comment box if your Galaxy Z Fold 5 has the same thing. For sure on my Galaxy Z Fold 4 there is no gap or nothing to be seen on the hinge mechanism when the device is not open. Another physical difference on the two devices is the way the camera on the Fold 5 looks compared to the Fold 4. This is only the physical difference. Fundamentally, the cameras should be the same and you're going to have the same camera excellence on the Galaxy Z Fold 5, same as the Galaxy Z Fold 4. This was my unboxing initial review of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. I will have a more in-depth review of this device in the coming videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share the video to someone who has a Galaxy Z Fold 4.